Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to log in to TD Canada Trust. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for TD Canada Trust login. Click on this first website over here. Now we can get two options, Easy Web Online Banking and Web Broker Online Trading. Now you can log in to whichever account you want, or if you want US banking, you can go on this one. So let's tap on login. Now enter your username. And if you want additional description, you can tap on this plus sign over here. Now enter your password. And if you want yourself to log in even after you get back, simply click on Remember Me. Now click on Login, after which we'll get into TD Canada Trust interface. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.